All right, guys, we're going to talk about mechanical cleaning right now. I'm going to try to keep it short, 5 minutes, because we are all short in time. We all have busy lives. So, mechanical cleaning. There are 3 ways to clean. Mechanical cleaning is one of them, and I'll explain that in a little bit. The first 2 ways are pretty traditional. You would use heat. That's one way. So, like you boil something, or you steam clean. The other way is with chemicals. Like you spray ammonia or bleach or, whatever concoction of stuff that you can get at the store. And that's another way. And so then the third way is mechanical cleaning, and that is how you clean with Norwex microfiber. There are enough fibers in this cloth to reach from Canada to the Gulf of Mexico. So how in the world is that true? That is true because the fibers in this cloth are 1/200th the diameter of a human hair. So legally, to be considered microfiber, the fibers must be 1/6 the diameter of a human hair, but Norwex is 1/200th the diameter of a human hair. So that is how you get millions, I don't know the exact count, guys, but a lot of fibers in one Envirocloth. And it's not just our Envirocloth that is 1/200th of the diameter size of human hair. That's all of our cloths. And the reason why that is important is because that's how we mechanically clean. You get this across your surface and it's picking up just a ton of little particles and dust and bacteria. These cloths pick up 99% of bacteria off of your surfaces when they're properly used and properly cared for. That's a fact. That's their statement. It's been tested. They do rigorous testing on these. They have, they make sure that is the case. So that's just with cloth and water. That is why you can reduce a ton of chemicals out of your home. And you don't have to breathe stuff in anymore, and you don't have to hide your cleaning products away from your kids because that doesn't matter. It's not going to hurt them. The cloths won't hurt them. And there's more that makes Norwex microfiber different, not just that. Because you can find microfiber anywhere. You can find it at the store. You can find it online. Our microfiber is dense, but it's also made with our backlock technology. It's on our little tag. Made with our backlock technology, which is a patented Norwex thing where there is silver embedded in the fibers themselves. And silver is a purifying agent. It's been used all throughout history for that, and in medical care and in hospitals, and that's why they used to do like silver teeth things, and they used to use silver like flatware and silver utensils. I could go on. There's a lot about that on the internet. But also it's used today. I mean, there's even like Lululemon makes like a workout. I think it's them. They make like a workout shirt that has the silver in it because it keeps you from getting smelly and keeps the mildew and mold from growing. So that's the same thing that's happening in here. The silver is embedded in the fibers, and when you get it wet, it is activated. And when you pick, you're cleaning and whatever, microfiber is really good at attracting things like we just went over. So you rinse it out and you hang it dry, and it's self-purifying over the next 24 hours. Ready to go again. So you don't have to wash it as often. You do want to wash it at least probably like once a week if you're using it a lot. And I'll go over care instructions. But, the way, it's not just that the silver is on the cloths. It is in here. So it's like how when you have a cup of coffee and you put your creamer in it, you can't separate it after you put it in there. It's just one liquid now. That's how the silver and these fibers are. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. So that is a little about Norwex and a little bit about how we work. I will post more details. Check out, if you didn't see some of my posts today, check it out. Let me know if you have any questions on this topic. I can help clarify. And there you go. Have a great day, guys.